Welcome. In this quick and easy guide, you'll learn how to unpin a post on Facebook using the latest version of the app. Whether you pinned an announcement, a favorite photo, or any update to stay at the top of your profile, sometimes it's time to switch things up. Let's walk through the simple steps to remove a pinned post on your Facebook profile. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet, and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture or name at the top of the screen. This will take you straight to your timeline, where all your posts are visible to you and your friends. Next, scroll through your posts until you find the pinned one you want to unpin. You'll notice it usually stays right at the top of your profile feed with a small pin icon showing that it's pinned. That's the one we'll be working with. Now, look at the top right corner of that post. You'll see 3 small dots lined up vertically. That's your options menu. Tap on those 3 dots to open the list of actions you can perform on that post. From the menu, select the option that says Unpin Post. As soon as you tap it, the post will no longer stay fixed at the top of your timeline. It will move back to its original place in your feed, based on the date it was posted. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully unpinned a post from your Facebook profile. The process only takes a few seconds, but helps keep your page organized and updated with your most current content. If you ever want to pin a different post later, you can use the same steps and just choose Pin Post instead. It's a great way to highlight what matters most to you. Thanks for watching.